Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with a sticker haul from Peppermint Planner. You know I love this company, love their logo, that is so cute. And it has that little thank you on the back, I love that. Did not open it, was going to open it with y'all so that we could check out the goodies together. Okay, it says Bunny Hugs Cricket. Love how she personalizes everything. She's a sweetie. Okay, so what I got in this one here is one of the freebies. And it says, hello, beautiful, with 2/4 boxes. Collect your bunny butts, Netflix binge, happy mail, movie night, and coffee first. And these are awesome colors. These are my colors. And then this was a freebie. And it has the Christmas story. It just has a lot of like Netflix binges. Home Alone 1, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, Charlie Brown's Christmas. Hallmark binge is what I am doing. That's all that's on my TV right now. So all of these are awesome. I cannot wait to put them in my planner when I watch them, because I do watch every single one of these. And then this is Chris's freebie. Bro, PR post, PMP order, so tired, drinking iced coffee, survive today, shake that bunny butt, happy mail, not my day, football, love it, love it, love it. Then I got my coffee cup with my name on it. I cannot wait to laminate that and put that in my TN or my rings, either one. Then I got my hugs. So cute. And then I ordered grocery. It's actually officially grocery shop, so if you're looking for it. I ordered Jelly Bee drinking iced coffee, because that is totally me. I ordered the sale. What? I love the face on there. That's cute. And then I ordered the Blessed Grateful For. And these are the scripts, and it says count your blessing, grateful for, and then thankful for, blessed, and blessing. And they're all in different colors so that you can use them in your planner no matter what kit you're using. So all of these work perfectly. So go check out Peppermint Planner. You've got some codes. All the girls are wonderful and awesome. And I hope to see you back here really, really soon. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you later. Bye-bye.